Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your first camp house in Gothic 1 Remake. Unlocking a camp house is necessary so you can have a safe place to sleep and pass time in the new camp. To start, you first need to be in the new camp, as you can see here on the map. We also have a video on the channel covering how to get to the new camp if you don't have a map yet, so please make sure to check it out. Once you're in the new camp, follow my path until you reach the large cave area, as you can see here. Keep following my path and you'll find an NPC named Gorn. And he will give you a quest to beat up a person named Shrike. You'll find Shrike working on the house that will eventually become yours. You can cheese this fight fairly easily by using a bow and attacking Shrike from a distance. The fight can be a bit difficult if you take him on head to head, but once you defeat him, you can speak with him and you'll be able to keep the house as your home in the new camp. You can also return to Gorn afterward to complete the quest and earn some extra experience. And that's how to unlock your first camp house in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.